Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, before we start our lesson this morning, let's automatically try praying together. Praying finish. Finish. Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning, Ustaz.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. It looks like everyone is already excited, but to boost your energy even more, I have an ice breaking activity.
Okay, Ustaz.
So this is I have a video in here, and you just watch and follow the movement. Okay? You understand? Okay, let's start this. Okay, alright. It seems like after that breathing, you are all feeling energy and ready to start the lesson, right?
Right.
Okay, but before we begin, let me check the attendance first. Is anyone absent today?
No, Ustaz.
Okay, so everyone is here. Great. Okay, now let's begin our lesson for today. The topic we are going to learn today is fraction. Alright everyone, pay attention. As I mentioned, today we are going to talk about fraction. So we have 4 main points to discuss today. First, what is a fraction? Second, how to read a fraction. Third, how to represent a fraction. And finally, we will do some examples. So what exactly is a fraction? A fraction is a number that we use to express a value when a single unit is divided into equal parts. So you can also think it of a division that has not been solved yet. And then, now look at the structure of fraction. It has 2 main parts, that called fraction part. The number on top is called the numerator, and then the rest of the part that we have are the participles. The number on the bottom is called the denominator. This tells us the total number of equal parts in the whole unit. So remember, numerator on the top and then denominator on the bottom. So how to read a fraction? Now let's prove it. So it's actually quite simple. So first, you just read numerator just like any normal number, like 1, 2, 3, and then you read the denominator is slightly different. We use ordinal number for the denominator. So example, 1 is worth, and 2 is halves, 3 thirds, 4 is fourths, and then 5 is fifths, and then if the denominator is greater than 10, treat the number as if it were an ordinal number, and adding an as if the numerator is greater than 1. So this is example. The first example is with 3x. 3x. And the fraction 2 is 1/4.
1/4.
And the 3 fraction is 40/18.
40/18.
And the last is 3x halves.
8 halves.
Okay, good. So how to represent a fraction? So we can use a geometric step to help us understand this better. Take a look at this rectangle. It represents one whole unit and is divided into 4 equal parts. So you can see that 3 parts are colored red and 1 part is colored blue. So we can say that 3/4 of the rectangle are red and 1/4 is blue. So this is you understand? Okay. Next is now look at the system. It is divided into 3 equal parts. So the parts are yellow and then so represent 2 thirds. And then 1 part is green. So that represents 1/3. So the fractions are everywhere in our daily life. So we use them when we talk about slice of pizza and then scoop of ice cream or even bottles of water. And the last is exercise. So to make so you understand the steps of exercise. So this is I have written some fraction and board. I want to write one how to read the fraction. Okay, now I need some you to work this in your paper. But I don't. Okay, anyone have finished?
Finish.
Okay, can you set up our work? So you can set your result.
Number 1, 4, 6. Number 2, 15 tenths. Number 3, 3 halves.
Okay, correct. Good job. Give us applause. Okay, the next exercise is this. So I want you to draw a representative for the fraction to your paper. So I will wait you until you finish. So you can just work perfect. Okay, anyone have done?
Yeah. Yes.
So you can stand up forward. You just do.
Okay, the result equals 5 halves.
Okay, that is correct.
This is the result of 17.
Okay, everyone Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good job. Alright, class, time is almost up. Before we end the session, let's quickly recap what we have learned today. We learned that a fraction consists of two parts. The numerator consists of two parts. Denominator on top and the denominator on bottom. So we also learned how to read fraction. For example, using words like third or fourth, and for representing them using shapes like circle and rectangle. So does anyone have any question for this?
No.
Okay. If there are no more questions, please don't forget to review the material at home. If you haven't finished the exercise, you can complete them as your homework. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let's close our class today. Thank you for your attention and attention today. See you in the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.